Rule. Yeah, she reported he turned off the Wi-Fi. Hit the like button. Let me see how many likes we got before we keep going. Where we at? All right, so main event right here. So this is the judge's order. This is her signature. Remember, we're going from the bottom up. So request for security for compliance. And you like, Henry, I don't remember what that was. This is this, guys. Request for security compliance. I want that $500,000 bond. And if he messes up, then I could be rich and I could stop streaming on GTA RP, guys. So the judge was like, hell no, you're not getting no $500,000 bond awarded to you if he mess up. So, and I do have, we'll go to footage of the courtroom and her face when she read this order that's coming to her. All right, let's keep going. All right, so let me, here's a victory. Here's a victory. Okay, so yeah, easy denied on the 500,000. So now we're gonna go back to this. All right, so this is part 2, E and D. So she granted D. E was already agreed to on record. On record means this was that court trial that happened on the 23rd. And you like, what was on record? What is E? What is D? All right, let's go to it. Let's go to it. So record was D and E. Okay, here we go. So this is about to be bad, guys. So someone said he wanted to buy a chain. Judge was like, nope. Okay, so E was accessing or interfering with changing the password email address with the Tesla. So she's like, hey, he already agreed to that in the December one, right? That is this one right here. We can show it. You mean you guys seen it? It was on the December 13th. The December 13th one where she was awarded exclusive use of the BMW and the Tesla. And that is right here. Okay, so there you go right there. But there you go, utilizing funds right here, utilizing funds in his possession to acquire clothing, jewelry, or wearing apparel that is not reasonably necessary to support the respondent's minimum reasonable needs. So that 60K chain you want to buy, that would be a violation if you bought it. But he could buy it now because technically it's not an order yet, guys. It's not an order yet. It's coming, but she like, no more buying jewelry. All right, what else? What else did the judge rule on? Okay, let's keep going. Let's see what the victories are. Now here we go. Here we go. Let's go back to this document right here. Where we at? Boop. All right, so request for additional temporary injunctions. A was denied, B was denied, C, the respondent agreed on record. So what is A, B, and C? So A, B, and C was providing copies. Let me share this tab on her request, providing copies of pleadings in this case of action to any third party who was not directly involved. And she denied it, saying y'all already agreed to that he couldn't share this with anyone, right? So no giving stuff to Henry Steele. See the original one. Directing any friends and family or followers, employees to talk about it. That was already granted. And C, this is the big one, guys, utilizing funds in his possession to wager, gamble, or play any games of chance. And you like, okay, so on January 23rd, he agreed on record he would not gamble. Okay, and that is right here. I'll go back to it right here on the judge's orders. I can make it a little bigger for you guys so you guys can see. He already agreed on record that he wasn't gambling. And you're like, how does this play into Aiden Ross? Here's the thing with Kick, everyone's trying to get to Kick right now. If he gets the Kick, Kick has a real chance. But if he can't gamble till this goes out, he can't really jump the Kick. I mean, he could jump the Kick, but you know, Kick they want him on their gambling. They don't want him on their reacting to videos. They're like, hey, we want him on their gambling. And he probably agreed to not gamble based on his lawyer's recommendation. Hey, it looks bad. You're in the middle of a divorce and you dropping $500,000 on a soccer game. Cut that out. cut that out. Okay, cut that out. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let me we got to go slow with this one, right? We got to go slow. We got to go slow. Okay. All right. B was denied. So this is the first request. So B denied, and she's saying, "Hey, we already agreed on C and D. Why are you wasting my time with this?" All right. So you're like, "Well, what was B? What was D of the request?" Okay. All right. So the big denial in B, guys, y'all ready for it? If you remember, you know. Petitioner has insufficient income for support, and the petitioner requests the court order responded to make payments for support of her until a final decree is no. No, hell no. The judge is like, I'm not awarding you no goddamn spousal support. Sorry, get out of here. It's not happening. So the sob story, I can't pay my legal fees. She like, look, we don't care. We don't believe all women over here in this courtroom. Okay, young lady, you're not married. You're well. Let's not say you wasn't married, but the judge is like, no spousal support. And as far as use of the BMW and the Tesla, you already got that. He already said he's not going to drive the McLaren. Why are you wasting my time? Okay, now we got one thing left, right? You like, what's left, Henry? What's left? What's left? Petitioner requests that respondent be ordered to pay reasonable interim attorney fees and expenses, including but not limited to fees for appraisals. All this is lawyer fees. Is he gonna pay my lawyer fees? Is he gonna pay me to audit him? Is he gonna pay me to go after his money? He's gonna pay my lawyer? And what y'all think the judge said? What do you think the judge said? What do you think the judge said? This is major. You don't understand how huge this is. I'm going to explain it to you at the end, the huge implication, the fact that she's not getting spousal support. So the judge was like, look, lady, look, adept. Let me talk to you for a minute. Let me holler at you. Look, if I didn't give you no spousal support, I'm not giving you no goddamn lawyer fees. Denied as to the trial on this issue of common law marriage. Hey, prove you married, then maybe we could talk. Until then, you're not getting no money whatsoever. And what does Dust Production say? So look, guys, this is major, and I don't know why he's not talking about it more. So if I'm him, he seemed happier. She seemed sad because that temporary money is nope. And I do have footage of her reading the letter, and I'm gonna put it on the screen right here. Hopefully you guys see it. Let me make it big for you. Here it go right here. She is wearing white and the judge is wearing black. I'm gonna show it right now. Hold on. Here we go right here. It's right there in the upper right hand corner. She's wearing white and the judge just comes out and just says no. Did you see it right there, upper right hand corner? She's wearing white, the judge is wearing black, and it is game over. Sorry, but not sorry. So now the onus is on her to pay for all of this, right? So now it's like, now you got to prove we married. You prove me married, then maybe you can get you some money. But if you can't prove we married, and Stephen A. starts, she said, hey, it's hard as hell to prove common law marriage in Texas. They ain't, nope.